pimples hurt really bad, but they scabbed over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of primer. This is the La Mercier primer. I love it. It's nice and thick and hydrating, but I'm really going to focus it on my pimples. Then I'm going to take the Becca Skin Love foundation. I'm going to mix it with a little Charlotte Tilbury primer. I know this primer is stupid expensive, but I'm telling you, it keeps it nice and hydrated, and that's why I picked the Skin Love, because it is a little bit oily feeling, but what you want to do is you want to keep them from drying out. The Infallible by L'Oreal, and this is Full Wear Concealer, and this is where I'm going to spot correct the pimples, and I'm really going to focus it on the ones on my chins. They hurt so freaking bad. I don't know what happened. I think it's because I used retinol and then I forgot to put sunscreen on. So not only was it a pimple, but it kind of burned my face a little bit. So then I'm just going to kind of put this wherever I have red spots. Also see that I'm just using dabbing motions with my finger, because the oils from my finger is kind of going to help blend it, and it's just going to keep it nice and hydrated. I don't want to use a beauty blender because I want to keep as much concealer on my face as well, to really give it that nice full coverage. Then I'm going to take a little Milk Makeup, and this is just going to help brighten my face. That way it's not so crazy and just one color. This is going to help just even everything out and kind of take away from the pimples, if you know what I mean, because the lightness is going to direct your eyes to my eyes instead of my pimps. So then I'm going to take the Dermablend Banana Powder. I freaking love this, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes a little bit. I'm just using a little flat brush, nothing crazy. I don't want to put too much under there and dry my eyes out, but I am going to sit it on top of the pimples and the redness, and I'm really going to let that sit there, bake, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to let it sit there and kind of suck up all the extra oils that's kind of happening from using my finger, and then I'm just going to wipe it away once I put my bronzer on, and then I'm just going to bronze up the face, and then I'm going to use a little peach blush. I love this blush. It's my favorite. It's the perfect summery corally color. You know, I'm into those. Then I'm going to take Luminous Gold by Lancome. Such a beautiful highlighter. It looks good on everybody. It's poppin', or you can make it look a little subtle, and I'm just going to brighten up my face with that. Just stay away from the pimples. Don't put it on the pimples because it'll bring out texture. Set my face with a little Too Faced, and then I'm going to set it with a little Iconic to help bring that glow and bring your face back to life, and that's it. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you soon.